Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera crashing in Realme C75x. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on it and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back and click on storage usage and here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all your settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.